Hello everyone, welcome back to Engineer Space, where engineer breaks the border of engineering. Today's video you're gonna learn about structural engineering, especially how to create and design a simple beam along with the calculation notes and also the initial drawing of the beam through the process of analyzing it in one of powerful software using Robot Structural Analysis 2020 edition. So let's get jam on it. So we're gonna create new project here, and then we choose this one. So as you can see here, this is how the window of RSF looks like. The first thing we need to define is go to the axis, and then after that, now as you can see here, we have x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So first we will define the x-axis. We add the 0 meters, and also we add another position, maybe with the long span of the beam. Maybe we're gonna create in 40 meters, and then go to the y. Maybe we're gonna create 0 first, and then add 4 meters. And for z axis we can define it directly here, but let's just apply first. And then if we go to the view, if we go to the plane view, we're gonna see how our axis looks like. This one, let me define this one first. Sorry, well, yeah, I just lost what I have created previously. Let me create it one more time. And here we're gonna change it, not using number, but instead using number we're gonna use alphabetic system. And then from here we're gonna add this also, and then apply, close. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And then we're now gonna try to define the stories. Go to this section, and then we're gonna change this one into 4 letters. We're gonna delete this one. So now we have our square axis dimension of reference to create an object. So we go to the plane again. So after that we're gonna try to define the column and of course the beam itself. Let me just go to here to define the beam that we're gonna create. Maybe we're gonna try to create the rectangle concrete beam, and then we have several options here, but let me show you how to define the new section here. Then through here we're gonna choose the rectangle one. As you can see, you have many options here, like the trapezium one, and then the eye section, and also integral section. But for this time we're gonna try to create a rectangle beam, and we're gonna put the dimension, let's see, it will become 215 and multiple by 2, maybe 400 will be good enough. Just press add, and it will be automatically define a new dimension of rectangle concrete beam here. And yeah, after that let me also define, because we need to define a beam also here. Let me just define a beam here, and then also create a rectangular concrete column. And as you can see also here we have several options, but let me create a new one because I don't have any 400 rectangle concrete. Let me put it here, maybe 400 millimeters. And then press it, and it will be automatically add a new section. Close it, and now we're gonna try to create the column. Let me just place it here, and then as you can see here, it will showing how our beam will be created. Let me try to define the height itself by 4 meters, and then put it here. Check here, should be 40 meters. So let you put here, and then put it here also. The one section here and the last one here. So after we create a column, let me try to create a beam. Make sure you tick on the horizontal beams and take it from here to here, and also from here to here. The last one from here to here, and the last one from here to here. Yeah, we have already created the column and also the beam. You're gonna see how it's look like in this section view. You may go to this one and you're gonna see it how it looks like. As you can see here, if you don't know about the dimension of the beam itself, you may just click on it and you can see on the left side of your window the dimension of the beam itself. And okay, to make it more interesting, let me just plot the column here, and simply go to here to select all of the column. And then we're gonna try to change the dimension into so because our dimension here is 215 times by 400, so I think I need to also define the new column dimension with 250. So simply I just go to here and then define a new one of the concrete rectangle column and type the dimension 215 millimeters times to 250 millimeters, and press it, and also close it. Select the whole of the column and change it into 215 times by 215. So we're gonna have a good shape here, but we cannot still assure that this is an all our load that we're gonna put here. So just simply go to this model first. So after we have successfully create the geometry, now we're gonna create a slab or a floor, right? Simply go to here, and then we're gonna create a cell. Can create with rectangle models, and then let me go to the plan view, go to the 4 meter dimension, and then create a rectangle here. Make sure you should choose this one. If you're not sure to the thickness of the floor, you may just create a new one. Let's say we have 120 millimeters of the thickness of the slab, and then press add. So already exists a sun here. Let me just rename it into 12. So let's put it, and then we have new one here, 120. you're gonna see the slab here. And then now it's time to create analysis. We start by, let me just put here, let me change the support first from the fixed support into from the pin support into the fixed support. Let me just select this one and then change it into the fixed one. Apply, close, back to the view, and then back to the review. Now it's time to create the load types at the date load or the load of the structure itself, and then we're gonna put the live load also here, and then close. We're gonna try to define the load definition here, and we're gonna put the surface load like this one, and then we're gonna see the Z level should be, let's say we're gonna design this holding the hole maybe like kilonewton. Select the slab and press OK to automatic selection of the meshing method, and then you can see now we have successfully added the load, and then just close it, put it on skin. So after that, let me just, to ensure that we have successfully added the loads, simply go to loads here, and you're gonna see the 4 kilonewton here, and then let me back to the geometry. So yeah, basically we just are ready to defining the structure model. That we select all of the building and then start reinforcement concrete design. So let we're gonna try to define the beam number 5 first, and then we dimension like shown in this figure, and then we're gonna see what kind of reinforcement that we need to hold the pressure of 4 kilonewton from the design that we have been defined previously. So just press calculate here, and you're gonna see the moment that has been created here, and this is how the tables look like, and this is the diagram overview. If you want to see the reinforcement that we need, you're gonna see these figures using the steel grid from B500C standard. We need 12 millimeters and 8 millimeters of bars here, and as you can see here in the center of the bar it's need 12, I don't know which one is 6. The stirrup needs 6 millimeter, so each one need 8, as on in this figure that it has assembly top rebar from this span with the longs is 2.7 meters or 250 millimeters. So if we're gonna go to the beam node, this is the full node of the calculation result, and let me just save it in, let's say, in desktop, and we're gonna put it as calculation node for beam design number 5. So now we're gonna try to create a drawing, and you may go to this section and you're gonna get the result of the drawing and simply just print it out and choose maybe Microsoft Print to PDF to create a PDF first, and then you gonna have option here, and then let's just create here drawing of beam 5 number 5 for a simple construction model. Just save it, and so we're gonna create a new file document. So yeah, I think this all for now. Let me just save this one and then call it as structure for ES simple frame design. So yeah, it's all from me for now for this video. Please like if you like this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends or colleagues who needs to understand about the way to analyzing the beam with simple way. And then that's all. Thank you. See you again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.